Every adventure begins with a decision. Mine wasn't made the day I boarded the plane, it was made months earlier. When I finally said, screw it, let's do it. Planning a solo trek isn't just a booking a flight. Every piece of gear, every route, every permit had to be planned in advance. There was no one else to rely on if something went wrong. One of the things I enjoy most about traveling is not just the landscapes. It's seeing how people live their everyday lives. This was my final stop before stepping into wilderness. After this, there was no turning back. Every item in my bag had a purpose. Food, shelter, water, camera gear, everything I needed to survive for the next few days had to fit in my bag. So it's got more stuff in it. It was hard to believe that this simple dinner would be my last proper meals before living on instant noodles in the mountains. My backpack's ready and I'm just gonna have to put on the shoes and say goodbye to the hotel for the last time.
Wow.
Yeah, it's my new friend. What's your name?
My name is Melis.
Melis. Nice to meet you, Melis.
Nice to meet you too, Vicky.
I thought I was ready. I was really about to find out if I really was. So we're starting our trek now, representing Nepal in Kyrgyzstan. Woo! Let's go! Everything before this moment was just a preparation. From here onwards, every step would have to be earned. Look at the nature! It's amazing! Approximately 1.2 kilometers, and you can already see a beautiful view over here. This is amazing. I started bringing these stickers on my trips as a small way of leaving a memory behind. We still have 10 kilometers today. Nature is amazing. This is the only reason that you keep going. That's the view. My backpack is quite heavy, so I had to really think about how to pack next time.
People in the valley, they don't understand what makes and takes the breaks and forsakes a man. People in the valley, they don't understand the hands which built the roads, the shoveled coal, seeds were sown, dews were rolled, but goddamn didn't go to plan. I've been trying my best to be a working man.
I really feel like I'm about to reach the same height as that mountain there. Later that evening, Tomorrow would be even harder. I just didn't know yet. Day 2 would be the toughest part of the journey. This is where you rest here? I swear guys, this steep climb is, you take one step and this loose rock will move you 2 steps back. So it's not about only climbing but also going against the rock flow. So I've reached the famous Ala-Kul Lake, but unfortunately there's no yard cam around here. So that means also no update to my family. So I'm a little bit worried. Heading back to the same place. For a few minutes, nothing else mattered. Not a heavy backpack, not a steep climb, but just this moment. Look at how beautiful the lake is. I'm just gonna have to leave it for now. It's a big descent. This is what I'm dealing with at the moment. This is your camp I'll be staying. This is waking up to the yurt camp. It's such a nice sleep, guys. It was very rewarding. So he's the owner, 17 years old. Nice to meet you. Take care, bro. Trail is that way. There's a big stone you have to take left. Guys, this is where I got confused. To be honest, guys, this does not even look like a trail. I find out it's just not me. But many people get lost here. Some tourists are stranded, as you can see. I made the same mistake day before yesterday. That I'm going back to civilization. That's a sign. And after that, I'll be heading to the trail. Hi. By this time, I wasn't thinking about how tired I was anymore. I was simply enjoying the walk.
So you are not Sherpa?
Oh, sorry guys, this is the experience that I have only seen in the movie scenes. Game of Thrones, guys, Game of Thrones. Middle of nowhere, riding a horse. That's crazy, insane. Look at the mountain. I missed it so much when I'm back in Dubai. Accumulating some tree branches to make some fire. Sometimes it's the simplest moments that stay with you for the longest. This scene looks like a Last of Us. We're going to the town. Easy. Just when I thought the adventure was over. Oh, so yeah, there's some stallion horse. They're a white horse or?
No, not wild, but male horse. We don't like other horses.
Okay. When I came to Kyrgyzstan, I thought I was coming for the mountains. I left with something much more valuable. Memories, friendship, and the confidence that sometimes the biggest adventure begins the moment you step outside your comfort zone. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.